My name is Salu. I live in a small village. Name of my village is Ramnagar. I am 30 years old and I work as teacher in a government school near my village. I have a small room. The sun rises in every morning in front of my room. I have a small kitchen and bathroom. I like my job. My job is easy as a teacher. It makes me happy. Ramesh is teacher of English. He is a loving boy. He is hardworking and good. He comes daily school on time. He is also 30 years old boy. He is my best friend for 5 years. We meet in lunch time of school. He is very important for me. We talk about everything. We eat together. We laugh together. Every night I think about him. I think about my perfect life. I feel I am very lucky. Ramesh never lies to me. Ramesh looks at his phone after class. I believe him. Sometimes I feel strange. I do not know what. Ramesh does not eat fast food. We talk about our food. We talk about our dreams. Now he is quiet. I cannot understand it. Maybe nothing is wrong. We sit in the garden. We drink tea. We talk about school projects. One day I was sitting with Ramesh. He wears new shirt. It smells like flowers. It is a perfume smell. We were looking at each other. I feel like I am not here. I know it. I feel it. But we do not know what to do. We love each other. Our love needs this. May be happy again. I see a rose flower. It is beautiful. I look at the clock. Now we should go home. Next day I went to school in romantic mood, but Ramesh did not come. I asked God about him. He says he cannot come. I called him but no response. I end the call. I sit on the chair. I sat for a long time. In summer vacation, I went my parents' house, but I was missing Ramesh. It is full of secrets and pain. I do not want to be here. I start to feel better after 3 months, but not happy yet. I start to feel better after 3 months, but not happy yet. I start to smile. I found myself again. Now I want to live happily. I think I should join my school teaching again. One day I went shopping. I see Ramesh. He was standing on a shop. One day I went shopping. I see Ramesh. He was standing on a shop. He says hi. I say hello Ramesh. We stand there. He looks different. His voice is quiet. He looks sad and thin. He says, how are you? I say, I am okay. How are you, Ramesh? He says, I am not good. He says, I miss you, Shalu. I look at him, but I was not feel anything. I was normal, but I want to feel something for him. I says, don't worry, Ramesh. I hope one day you will be fine and happy. Goodbye. I feel happy without him. I am joining a private school near my mother's house and I go to Delhi school for teaching. I am very happy here because this is my small home with fresh air. I make my food and do my school project.